Life Sciences, Paper 3, GSET 2016. Number 1. Which of the following is a ketotriose? Dihydroxyacetone. Question number 2. N-acetyl nuraminic acid is amino sugar acid. Question number 3. Milk protein casein is a phosphoprotein. Question number 4. When the absorption of UV light by double stranded DNA increases, this is called as hyperchromic effect. Question number 5. The helicase and primase form a functional unit within the replication complex called as primosome. Question number 6. Chemical reaction of a disulfide bond with the following reagent is irreversible. Performic acid. Question number 7. Cell cycle arrest at the G2 checkpoint is mediated by phosphorylation dephosphorylation cascade. Question number 8. During cell cycle, yeast cells have a regulatory point that occurs late in G1 phase known as start. Question number 9. Which of the following mediate intraspecies quorum sensing in gram-positive bacteria? Autoinducer peptide. Question number 10. In angiosperms, the only functional cells with cytoplasm but no nucleus are sieve tube elements. Question number 11. Mycoplasma are bacterial cells that are resistant to penicillin. Question number 12. Mitochondrion is known as the powerhouse of the cell because it generates ATP by oxidative phosphorylation. Question number 13. Telomeres are rich in which nucleotide? Guanine. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a conjugated protein? Peptone. Question number 15. Enzymes that catalyze interconversion of optical, geometrical, or positional isomers are isomerases. Question number 16. Proteins that block the synthesis of RNA at specific genes are called as repressors. Question number 17. In single stranded RNA viruses, replication occurs by which of the following enzymes? RNA replicase. Question number 18. The release of which hormone is inhibited by thyroxine? Thyroid stimulating hormone, that is TSH. Question number 19. Insulin binds to the alpha subunit of the transmembrane insulin receptor first and induces tyrosine phosphorylation of the beta subunit. Question number 20. Toll like receptors TLRs are involved in the recognition of the pathogen including bacteria, virus, too. To release cytokines and kill the infectious organism. Question number 21. Colchicine has been used in the treatment of acute gout disease because of its ability to interfere with microtubule dynamics. Besides colchicine, which other drugs can prevent microtubule dynamics? Please write your answers in the comment section. Question number 22. How many transmembrane helices are present in GPCR? GPCR stands for G protein coupled receptor. So there are 7 transmembrane helices. Question number 23. Opium derivatives are bound by G protein coupled receptors, GPCRs. Question number 24. Steroid hormones elicit their actions by binding to the steroid receptors located in nucleus. Question number 25. Which of the following gymnosperms lack archegonium? Netum. Question number 26. Male gametophyte in angiosperms possesses one vegetative cell and two male gametes. Another question for you. What is the other name of male gametophyte? Please write your answers in the comment section. Which structure of a flower, which reproductive structure of a flower is also considered as male gametophyte? Question number 27. Double fertilization is a characteristic feature of both dicots and monocots. Question number 28. One of the following sequences is correct for vertebrate development. The correct sequence is blastula, gastrula, nerula. Question number 29. Asexual reproduction as fission is very common in Protozoas. Question number 30. One of the following larvae during development give rise to triploblastic coelomate animal. Miracidium. Question number 31. The chief source of oxygen in plants is soot apex. Question number 32. Gibberellins are chemically diterpenes. They are diterpenes. Question number 33. Transfer cells are present near or at minor veins of leaves. Question number 34. Zinc is essential for biosynthesis of indole acetic acid. Question number 35. Which one of the following processes has not been implicated in the mechanism of opening of stomata? Loss of water and shrinkage in guard cells. Question number 36. Insectivorous plants grow in places where soil is poor in nitrogen. Question number 37. The ductus caroticus is found in between systemic and carotid aorta. Question number 38. The disease diabetes insipidus is related to aldosterone. Question number 39. The function of corpus luteum is to facilitate implantation. Question number 40. The blood pressure in kidney is maintained by renin angiotensin secretion. Question number 41. The movement of eyeball is regulated by oculomotor nerve. Question number 42. The color vision in humans is attributed to C for color vision and C for corn cells. Question number 43. For barcoding of an animal species, most conserved molecule used is mitochondrial DNA. Question number 44. The color blindness in human is due to point mutation. It is X-linked disorder. Question number 45. If a red flowered plant is crossed with a white flowered individual and the offspring has pink flowers, the genotypic expression indicates incomplete dominance. Remember, in incomplete dominance, phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same. It is 1 is to 2 is to 1. In incomplete dominance, the phenotypic and genotypic ratio both are same. Question number 46. From which grandparent or grandparents did you inherit your mitochondria? Is it your maternal grandmother? Question number 47. Dosage compensation is observed with one of the X chromosome of females. Question number 48. An HFR bacterium is one that contains a plasmid integrated into its chromosome. Question number 49. Occurrence of pollinia in Orchidaceae and Asclepiadaceae is an example of convergence. Question number 50. DNA barcoding has maximum applications in identification and delimitation of species. Question number 51. Which of the following statements is not as per ICBN? ICBN stands for International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. In 2011, the name of ICBN is changed. What is its recent name? If you know the answer, please comment in the comment box. So the question is, which of the following statements is not as per ICBN? Option A. The names of all taxonomic groups except species are based on the type method. Question number 52. One of the following terms used for appendages of animals is correct for vertebrates. Tetrapoda. Question number 53. The horseshoe crab is classified in Arachnida. Question number 54. Clitellum is the structure of Oligocete which is associated with reproductive system. Question number 55. Which part of India is part of Soda-land biodiversity hotspot? Nicobar Islands. Question number 56. Podophyllum hexandrum is an endangered medicinal plant of Himalayas. Question number 57. Which of the following type of forests occupies the largest area in India? Tropical deciduous forest. Question number 58. Kyoto Protocol focuses on reduction in CO2 emissions by various countries. Remember, Montreal Protocol is related to ozone, Kyoto Protocol is related to CO2, carbon dioxide. Question number 59. A keystone species is one which, if it disappears, it may lead to collapse of the ecosystem. Question number 60. Eutrophication can be observed in lake. Question number 61. Group of fish that stay together and perform swimming in the same direction in a coordinated manner is known as schooling. Group of fish is also called school. Question number 62. Diurnal ascending movements of plankton is termed as phototaxis. Question number 63. Speciation that occurs when biological populations of the same species become isolated from each other to an extent which prevents genetic interchange is allopatric speciation. Question number 64. In Phanerozoic eon, which one of the following era is popularly known as era of fishes? Paleozoic era. Question number 65. Which one of the following is true for cephalochordates? Presence of dorsal nerve cord and notochord. Question number 66. Angiosperms are believed to have originated about 135 million years ago. Question number 67. Amino benzyl oxymethyl filter paper is commonly used for the transfer in northern blotting. Question number 68. What is the best cloning vector for long DNA inserts? Both bacterial and yeast artificial chromosomes, that is BAC and YAC. Best cloning vector for DNA inserts. Question number 69. When a mixture of proteins of various size and shape is applied to gel filtration column, proteins are eluted in a decreasing order of molecular mass with largest coming first. Question number 70. The cotton plant transgenic for crystalloprotein, cryprotein, has been developed for insect resistance. Question number 71. DPT vaccine confers protection from all the diseases except for tuberculosis. Here DPT stands for diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. Question number 72. Which of the following treatments enhanced phytoremediation of metals? Alkali treatment. Question number 73. Overproduction of chitinase enzymes is possible by solid state fermentation due to prevention of catabolite repression. Question number 74. DNA fingerprinting has proved very useful, but it finds no use in functional genomics. Last question of paper 3. Question number 75. When we carry out subcellular fractionation by differential centrifugation, which cell component will pellet last? Microsomes. If the spelling is wrong, Microsomes. Microsomes. And that's all in today's episode. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed and share the video as much as possible. Take care and have a nice time.